This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Sleek renovation and available off-season '23 booking 2024. Washer/dryer in unit. Northwest corner unit with unobstructed views of ocean and river from the 12th floor. Floor to ceiling impact sliders maximize every view. Private beach access and heated pool. Walk to Vero's finest beachside shops and restaurants. Next door to VB Hotel and Spa for overflow guests. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.